if you've never used team names before, how it works is using your embroidery software like Wilcom, you can create a list of names, and that list of names, let's say it starts with Paul, Dave, Sam and Bill, that will be downloaded into your embroidery machine as one single design, and at the end of every name is a stop signal. So the idea being, you start the machine, it will embroider the first name and then the machine will stop. You take out the garments, put in the next set of garments, that embroiders the next name. Now that all works very well, but one of the issues with team names has always been, especially if you're using a very large set of team names, is that if you need to embroider a particular name out of sequence, it's very difficult to find that name in the design, because unless you know the stitch number that it starts at, then it's almost impossible to do. So what Barudan have done with the K series machine, they've introduced a new function, and it's called name drop. So as you can see on the screen here, I've loaded a design that has 3 names in it, and you can see the screen is split here. So on the left hand side you can see the name that's currently being embroidered, which is James, and to the right hand side you can see the next name that's going to be embroidered. So this is a great help to machine operators to make sure that they're putting the right name on the right size garment, so they can see the name they're about to embroider before they put the garments in and start the machine. But there's another feature even better than this. If we go into float mode, there's another function in float mode, so we can see an enlarged version of the name here. If I press the name drop function here, it now displays all of the different names on the left hand side of the screen, and you can see currently we're on James. If I press here, it changes to Mark, to Jenna and to Jane. So I can click on any one of those names and embroider that name out of sequence. So if you have a list of say 50 names and you know that a name you need is in that list, you can simply go to that list, choose the name that you want and embroider it. So that's a great time saver in the new K series machines.